Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to send from Revolut to GCash. Sending money from Revolut to GCash is very easy. All you need to do is simply follow these 3 steps. First of all, start your transfer. Choose how much you want to send in euros and pick Philippines as your destination country. You can pick whichever country you want. Then check the rates and enjoy competitive exchange rates without hidden transfer fees. After that, tap on Send Money, enter the recipient's details and tap on Send. Now scroll down and find out how much does it cost to transfer money to the Philippines from the Netherlands. When sending money to the Philippines from the Netherlands, we won't charge you additional currency exchange fees on weekdays when the transfer is within your exchange allowance. After that, let's see how long it will take to transfer money. Transfers to other Revolut customers and card transfers usually arrive in minutes, while bank transfers to the Philippines from the Netherlands usually arrive within minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.